bottle until it get hollow.
Everybody, Rez back here again, and today I'm using a new camera, so I hope everything's good. You guys hopefully it looks really good. I upgraded. What I'm gonna do in this video is gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna go ahead and give my grandma a ride. Di hola. Di hola.
Hola.
Gonna give her a ride in the Evo, and then I'm gonna also give my mom a ride in the Evo when she comes back. They're here visiting me, so we'll give them a ride right quick. Ven, Ala, siéntate. Mueve toda esa vaina para allá atrás. I left the seat a mess, but ten cuidado, Ala.
Sí, yo sé.
Get back when we're starting. Be the first pulls. Ala, agarra la cámara así para que te vea a ti, así.
Ajá, aquí.
Allá,
Ahí.
ok, ahora en tres nos vamos. Ok, 1, 2, 3.
Sí. ¡Yuhu!
¿Te gusta?
Bueno, me lo lloré, me río. Ay.
Okay.
Ah, bueno, corre bien.
Sí, corre, bueno.
Oye, tiene una máquina de verdad.
Ok, agárralo ahí, uno más. Ya, 1, 2, 3.
Esa gente coge miedo, ¿oíste?
Sí.
Sí, coge miedo. Epa.
Sí, está bueno, ¿verdad? Un carrito así.
Bueno.
Little car, a lot of power. So that was my grandma's first reaction with the Evo. She absolutely loves it. She used to work on her car, she was telling me, back in the day. So it's great that I'm able to show her the car and that she likes the way that it pulls and stuff. Next, we're gonna go for a rip with my mom. So that'll be coming up right now. I think they just got home, so I'll go ahead and grab her, switch her up. So let's get to it. So you guys already saw my grandma Ala. Now we're gonna, this is my mom. Okay, and now you're gonna hold it here, right here, just so you can see you. There you go, just like that. And then,
You know.
and then we're gonna go, and we're gonna get your reaction to the car, see if you like it. Okay, we're doing it on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God. Far from home.
How did you like it?
Too much strength for me. Too much energy on the wheels for my taste.
Bad.
No, it's not bad. When I drive, I don't think I ever made it to 100. What do you do?
What do you mean? What did I do?
What speed?
I don't know. Fast. Probably like maybe like 100. Who knows? I didn't look at that. I was just looking at the rev limiter. But we got both my grandma and my mom's reaction, so it's a good video there. I wish I had the GoPro so we could get that footage too, but unfortunately I do not. But hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up and see you guys next week. What is up, everybody? Here at the house, and today we're actually going to the first all-wheel drive meet here in the area, so I thought I'd just film it. We got the Evo looking nice, clean still from the last video, but yep, we're going, and I'll shoot some pictures of everybody's cars, maybe ask some people a few questions, but should be fun, can't wait. Just made it to the meet, so I got some, I think I got like one roller or something of my buddy's Evo 9. Super clean. He's got a YouTube channel too. I'll probably link it down below. But we're gonna just look at the cars that are here and see how it goes. Don't really know how any of this is gonna be like based here. Wow, that was a loud Focus ST. Thank you. But we'll see how the cars look. There's a few M3s over there, so I want to check them out and whatnot. What you want? Rev it! Rev it! No, don't rev it. Clean S2K. Flexing on us. Flexing. Why you gotta flex on us like that? So it's a good mix of all sorts of cars here, but not too bad of a turnout overall. Need to lower the Evo though, coming soon, stay tuned. Always remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Rez out.